Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely students. How are you doing? I hope everyone is happy and enjoying the new revived curfew laws. So, my lovely students, welcome to Mrs. Kashmala's virtual class. You are in KG Seniors virtual class, and this is Math's third recorded lesson for the second spell. So, my lovely students, as previously in our class, we had revised counting in numbers from 1 to 100, and you wrote it down from 51 to 100 as well. So today we will learn and revise counting in numbers, okay? After 100 and onward. So my lovely students, sit calmly, watch carefully and listen with care. And repeat after me when I say loudly, okay? 1, 2, 3, and here we go. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and 110. Well done. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. Well done. You did it. I'm listening it. Okay, you just repeat after me loudly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Come on, here we go. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, and 140. Well done. You are doing a great job. I'm listening, okay? Now, let's count some more. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, and 150. Well done. You did a great job. Now, I'm going to play it for you, and you are going to read it loudly and I will listen, okay? Come on, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Come on. Yes. Well done. Loudly. What is this? And what is this? What is this? And what is this? Yes. Well done. Now, leave this line. Now, also this. Now, after 130, count, okay? The number being displayed and appear on a screen, you will read it loudly. Come on, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Start from 131. Now, read it loudly. Yes. Well done. Yes. Very good. Well done. Now count it as well. Yes, 41. Well done. Very nice. Well done. You now just will receive a star, okay? So my lovely student, that was it for counting in numbers. And now let's jump to counting in words. And previously we had learned and revised from 1 to 10, and today we are going to revise 11 and onward. Okay, so listen carefully and repeat after me loudly. Come on, ELEVEN, 11. Now you will break this down into two parts, ELE and then VEN. Okay, come on, repeat after me loudly. ELEVEN, ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. ELEVEN, 11. Well done. Now 12. TWE. The first part you will learn is TWE and then another is LVE. And this way you will learn it by heart. TWE, LVE 12. 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 TWE, LVE 12, and THIR, TEEN 13, THIR, TEEN 13, THIR, TEEN 13, THIR, and TEEN 13, THIR, TEEN 13, THIR, and TEEN 13, FOUR 4, TEEN 14. Well done. See, now this teen you already learned here, look above. And 4, it is the same spelling just like 4, FOUR 4 and then TEEN, teen. It is so easy, just like a piece of cake. Come on, FOUR 4, TEEN 14. Now look here, it is 15. When we say 5, we spell it like FIVE 5. And when we say fifth, here we would not say 15, okay, we will say 15. And when we say fifth, we spell it like FIF, okay, FIF and then TEEN. It is 15. Well done. FIF and TEEN, 15. Once again, let's divide it. FIF and TEEN, 15. FIF and TEEN, 15. FIF, TEEN, 15. So my lovely student, that was it for the day. This is your lesson for the revision. Do not write every single thing I display on my screen, okay? It is just to revise so it stays fresh in your memory. And some things we will revise and other, when I tell you to write it down in your notebooks, then you will write it in your notebooks, okay? Only the pages I display for you on the screen, you will write it down, okay? So all the lessons are for the revision, just as we do in our classes, so that you keep it fresh in your memory. So my lovely students, this is our GABA book page number 26. I mentioned here the page, so I did not forget like a previous lesson, and you did not find it hard to open your book and search the pages. And I zoomed the picture and divided into two parts. So you can look clearly and understand it. So here the question is tens and units. It is just like the previous lessons, but a little bit advanced version. Count and write how many tens and how many units. First thing is, it is very simple that you will have to count the beads. Once you count it, then you will write it beneath, and on the right side it's mentioned tens, and on the left, no sorry, on the left it is tens, and on the right it is units. I have told you previously that when there is a one digit, it is called unit, and when there are two digit numbers in counting, for example, it is 26, Then here the left side digit is called the tens. It represents tens. And the right side would represent a unit. Okay? See how interesting it is. You are going to love the maths. So, and it is so easy peasy. These beats will represent the 10 and these will represent the unit. But let me, for example, previously this one strip for this one strip represent 110, okay, and these two strip means 2 tens. But to clarify the concept, there are boxes given inside that there are 10 boxes, that's why it is 110, and here 110 and here another 10, okay. But here it is not a one complete strip, it is just one bead. One bead will represent the 10, okay. Now just look here, 1 2 3 4. Here we write a 4 here, and then 1 2 3 we will write down 3 beneath the units, then bring it together because this left side represents the tens and the right side unit, then it becomes 43. Okay, let me count it again for you. So look here, this is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens we have, so write it down. And here on the right side unit parts, how many beads we got? 1 2 beads, and when we combine it, it will become 52. This is 50 tens. 5 means here 50, okay, and this is the unit, so 2. So we will write here combine 52. Look here, there are 1 2 3 4 5. 5 beads, so we will write down 5, and here again 1 2 2. So when we combine it, it will become 52. Just understand the concept of tens and unit, okay? Whenever in maths you see the 2 digits, the right side digit will be a unit and the left side would be a 10, okay? Like here in number 26, we have 2 tens and 6 units. Now look here, just count these beats. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now you will write here beneath the 10th 7. Look here, 1 2 3 4. There are 4 beads. 4 white beads represent units, and you are going to write beneath the unit 4. When you combine these, it will become 74. How easy and interesting isn't it? This was the previous lesson. I just bring it here to make you understand. See, this is the 110. Why it is 110? Because it have 10 boxes inside. And this is the second one. Why? Because it also have 10 boxes inside. So we write here 2 tens. And what does it become? 20. 110 become 10 and 210 become 20. So just you can understand it, what you had learned previously and how it is useful here. So now come to the lower portion of the page. 1 and 2. 2 black beads. We will write down 2 beneath. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 white beads, and you will write it down beneath the units. 5 beads. Now combine it. The 2 means 20, and it is 5, simple 5. When you combine it, you also still you will read it 25, isn't it? Yes. Oh, my lovely students, once again, okay. Tens and units, count and write how many tens and units. So look here. 1, 2. So write down 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5. Now bring it together, it will become 25. This one digit is 20 and this right side is 5. We would call the left side 20 because it is the 10. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, write down 3 beneath the tens. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 4 beneath the units. Now this is 30 and this is 4. 34, 30 and 4. Because it is tens, we will code it 30. And because it is unit, we will simply say 4. When we bring it together, it will become 34. Now look here and count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are supposed to write 6 beneath the tens. And what is this? It is 60. When in tens, you previously learned 6 mean 60. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 white beads. Write it down beneath 6 beneath the units. Now this is 60 and this is 6. When you bring it together, it will become 66. So look, the beads are same here. What is the purpose? To make you understand that the both 6 of the right and the left side are not the same. The 6, while the 6 beneath the tens means 60 and 6 beneath the unit means simply 6. So when it will bring it together, it will become 66. Now here count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now write down 7. And here see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now write down 4. So this 7 means 70 and this 4 means 4. 70 and 4. 74. Now bring it together. It becomes 74. See how easy it is. As I had told you, like always, maths is a fun and it is just like a game. You just need to love your lessons and enjoy your lessons, okay? This is the trick. So now let's find out what else we are going to revise. Yes, table of two, but this is the revision. You are not supposed to write it here, write down to today, okay? You are just going to revise it with me so you learn it perfectly and all through your life. You will just keep it in your memory. So 1, 2, 3, go. Here we go. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Once again, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. And 2 fours are, who knows? Tell me. Yes, 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Let's repeat. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Well done. Let's repeat. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fives are 10. Well done now. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 14. Once again, 2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 14. 2 6 are 12. And 2 7 are 14. Well done. Repeat after me loudly. 2 6 are 12 and 2 7 are 14. 2 8 are 16. 2 9 are 18. 2 8 are 16. 2 9 are 18. Repeat after me. Come on. 2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 14. 2 8 are 16. 2 9 are 18. And the easiest one, 2 10s are 20. Well done. You revised it and revised it well. So my lovely students, you are going to learn it by heart and perfectly, okay? So You will not use, once again I'm telling you, any trick to write it down. If you want to study the maths, you could not do anything without maths. You have to study it. But the basic part, maths is actually a drawer, and you cannot open this drawer without a key. And even if it is one room, you cannot open it without the key, and the key to maths is a table. So you need to learn it perfectly. And look here, today I bring a homework for you, and that is table. You are going to draw one straight line in your notebook, and this time we are going to play give uh, we are going to compose very organized notebooks. Okay, you will write name, homework, and date, and then write the table on two sides, but write neatly in one separate lines. Try to write yourself. First learn and then write. This is the best way. Okay, or let your mommy help from write to ones or two. Okay, just write it down. Then draw the line between and write 2 times table. Just look this page closely. You are supposed to write it this way. So my lovely students, that was it in my virtual class. I really enjoyed having you today, and it was a fun because it was a mess. So inshallah, in next lesson I will see you again. Till then, goodbye and enjoy.